Hey YouTube, what's going on? Welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be reviewing the newest addition to my computer. I just bought it. It's the Zalman ZM-RC1000 RAM cooler, and apparently it fits all models, DDR, DDR2, and DDR3, so I'm going to be sticking that into my computer and talking to you about what kind of temperatures and stuff it gets compared to having no fans or anything on the RAM itself, just the RAM sinks that I have on there right now, the stock fatality heat spreaders. So first things first, it comes in a pretty sweet package. Other than every other computer part I bought, it comes in those annoying packages you get from like Home Hardware and stuff, or like a video card box. So this is a nice change. Nothing really in the package, just that's about it. No instructions or anything. So this is the cooler itself. It comes in a blue version as well. I chose to get the stainless steel one, which is actually just plastic, because it pretty much matches the scheme I have going in my case. These two mounting brackets, which would just clip onto the top of your RAM. Like, here's some OCZ Reapers I have right here. If you were to just imagine it without the top part, it clips into the motherboard in this clip here. Then this, which side? This side right here would clip right in to the top hole right there and hold on the cooler. So that's pretty sweet. So it should fit into pretty well anything, as long as it doesn't have those heat spreaders. Or actually, even if it did have those heat spreaders, I think it would fit on pretty nicely. It has like a nice spacer on there, and then just this mounting bracket stuff and 3-pin fan connector. So let me just stick that in my system, and then I'll tell you what kind of temperatures and shit I get. Hey YouTube, what's up? I'm back. I just wanted to make a follow-up to the RAM cooler. So it took me all of about 2 seconds to put it in there. It was extremely easy installation. I had very simple instructions on the back of the box. And so that's what it looks like inside the case right there. It's actually pretty quiet. Like, it does make some noise. I really only noticed it, like, I would turn it on and be like, oh, the computer sounds a bit different. It doesn't really like bother me, and right now I can't even hear it over the 5770. So the computer's like, it just sounds different. It's not even really louder. It doesn't bother me at all. So that's a really big bonus. I was worried that it would be pretty loud. And I took some temperature readings using this infrared thermometer right there, and without the cooler, so it's just the bare DIMMs exposed using the stock heat spreaders, it was hitting about 4 instances of memtest open. It was hitting about 57, 58 degrees, which is extremely hot for RAM. So I stuck on the cooler and I took those temperature readings again. I've been running memtest right now for 10 minutes right now, and it said max I was hitting was 34, 35 degrees. It got that hot as soon as I made it into Windows, and the temperature didn't change a bit as when I was in Windows. So that's a really nice plus. And overall, it's a pretty sweet cooler. Like, I mean, it doesn't look half bad in my case. Like, I'm sure there are probably ones that are more riced out with lights and stuff, but I mean, overall it's a pretty sweet cooler, and I recommend it. Right now it's cooling 4 DIMMs of OCZ Fatality DDR2 editions, clocked at 1070 megahertz right now due to a fluctuation in the reference clock on the motherboard. 55518 on the latency timings, and 2.14 volts, and it's still keeping it at 35 degrees with all the DIMMs touching, which is pretty sweet. So all in all, I recommend this cooler.